Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. So today I am back with another activity. This activity is related to phonic sound. You can see there is a letter A. So A sound like at. Okay, very nice. So today we will find 5 beginning A sound word. So look at here. This is like A sound word. You find it and paste the picture. So for this activity we need A sound related pictures, glue, sketch pen, scissor and one scale. So children, you have to do this activity in your drawing copy. So let's start. At first, we will take the pictures and cut into a square shapes. Look at here, my cutting is already ready. So paste this picture with glue. One by one easily. So you can take the help of your parents for cutting this picture. So I hope you all enjoy this video. So children, so try this activity and bye bye everyone.